Welcome to SCK channel. Today we are talking about Arduino. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronic platform. It has hardware and software which can be used easily to anyone who not expert in electronics. So many varieties of Arduino available in market like Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, Arduino Micro, Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Duo, Arduino Lilliput, Arduino BT Board, Arduino Pro Mini and many more. Now I am introducing about Arduino Uno, which is the most popular Arduino board in Arduino's family. The Arduino Uno is one kind of microcontroller board based on Atmega 328. It refers of Atmel 32 KB flash memory and 8-bit microcontroller. It has 2 KB static RAM memory and 1 KB EEPROM. It is easy to use and program. Let us see the hardware portions and pin connections of Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno board available in online and local markets. We can get Arduino board original and duplicate version. How can find out the original Arduino board? In original Arduino board, you can see in the downside of the board here mentioned made in Italy and reset switch fixed nearby USB jack. In duplicate version, reset switch will be in nearby microcontroller or somewhere. Now see, it has one USB jack for serial communication with computer or can connect with Android phone. This USB port can be used as an optional power supply. That is, we can drive the Arduino board this USB jack using DC 5 volt from this system. But we can draw only less than 500 milliamps from USB. So here provided one power jack. We can use this optional power socket for additional power if needed more than 500 milliamps. The recommended voltage of input voltage to this socket 7 volt to 12 volt. The operating voltage of Arduino Uno is 5 volt. This is power section. The optional input power is available in this VIN pin and two ground points are there. Then 5 volt. This is 5 volt regulator. The input voltage is regulated to 5 volt using this voltage regulator and this output voltage 5 volt available at this 5 volt pin. There is a 3.3 volt pin which is from USB to TTL converter IC within the board. This 3.3 volt can be used as power supply for 3.3 volt level modules. The DC current for 3.3 volt pin is maximum 500 milliamps. It has 14 digital pin from 0 to 13. This digital pin we can use as input or output. Some functions multiplexed with some digital pins. Pins 0 and 1 can be used for serial communication. Pin 0 used for receiver RX and 1 used for transmission ATX and pins 2 and 3 can be used for external interruption. In these 14 digital pins, 6 digital pins can be used as an PWM output for pulse width modulation. These pins will provide 8-bit PWM output. The pins are 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. And pins 10, 11, 12 and 13 can be used for SPI communication. And one inbuilt LED here connected with the pin number 13 and two LEDs here. Serial communication can be visualized by these two LEDs for provided TX and RX and this one power indicator. When power connected to Arduino, the power LED will be on. It has 6 analog inputs or ADC pins. In this, received analog signals will convert to digital signals. It's starting from pins A0 to A5. These pins used for analog reading. In this, pin A4 and A5 can be used for I2C communication. Pin A4 can connect to serial data SDA and A5 to serial clock SCL, and one reset button provided here. It is used for resetting the program, and one reset pin provided here. It can be used to reset the program as externally if needed. Atmega 328 will support up to 20 MHz clock frequency. But in this Arduino Uno board used 16 MHz clock frequency. For that, here given 16 MHz crystal oscillator. It has 6-pin ICSP header for in-circuit serial programming. It is a backup method of programming. ICSP pins are used for programming Arduino or Atmega chip by another Arduino board, or connecting the Arduino board to a computer for uploading a sketch if USB port is not available on the board, like Prominis, AT-Tiny ICs, PIC ICs. And here one AREF pin. It is using to measure smaller voltage with greater accuracy using the analog input pins on your Arduino in conjunction with the AREF pin. The value from analog read would be between 0 volt to 5 volt. The default value of AREF pin is 5 volt. The main hardware parts of Arduino are almost covered here. Arduino have hardware as well as software parts. You can download the software from the link given below. Let us see how to program Arduino Uno and its working. To interface your board to your system, you need a USB A to B converter cable and connect it. While power up, the power LED will on. The IDE software used in all Arduinos. The language of the Arduino IDE software is C++. First, we needed to download Arduino IDE software to our system. For that, we can go through Google to download the IDE software. Click here in Arduino Home and go to Software. Here you can see some download options. We have to choose some software options for Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, like that. We can download to Windows and click here just download to download the software to the system. The downloading may take few time. After download, open the Arduino IDE. This is Arduino IDE. You can write your functional program here. Here the setup function. This function runs once you press the reset button or power up the board, and put your main code here in the loop function. The loop functions run over and over again forever. Now let us see one sample program and its working. Then go to File and go to Examples and take any program. We can take this Blink program. In this sample program, the default output at pin number 13. The pin number 13 connected with an inbuilt LED. Now let us see how to upload the program and its working. First, we needed to set up to upload the program for Arduino Uno board. For that, go to Tools, then select Arduino Uno and select Port for communication between Arduino and system, and select Programmer AVRISP MK2. Then compile the program. You can't compile the program if any error detected in your programmed files. There will be show error on the monitor. Here Not detected any error. Now you can upload the program. Click here to upload the program. While uploading, you can see TX and RX LED is glowing. Now you can see the inbuilt LED is blinking. Now take one breadboard and one LED, connect it externally according the circuit diagram. Connect one 220 ohm resistor to positive polarity of LED. Take one jumper wire and connect it ground point of LED from Arduino's ground, and one jumper wire to 220 ohm resistor from pin number 13. You can see the LED is blinking. You can change it to any pin using the program. We can make so many varieties of circuits: home automation, artificial intelligence, embedded systems, security equipments, and many more using the Arduinos. Please subscribe SCK channel and click bell icon to get continuous notification at time to time.